Medical terminology can look really confusing initially. I know this because I struggled with it initially. But when you're able to break down the words into simple parts, it will begin to make more sense to you. Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith. I'm a linguist trying to transition into the medical coding field. And in today's video, I'll be talking about medical terminology. What's medical terminology, you may ask? Medical terminology are simply words or terms that are used in the medical field. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to know and identify your medical terms without necessarily cramming or memorizing it, just by breaking it down into simple parts like its prefix, the suffixes, and the root words. In order to know your medical terms, you should know that every medical term is made up of, not every, but most of the terms are made up of prefix, suffix, and root word. And you may ask, what's prefix? Prefix is the word part that begins a word, while suffix is a word part that ends a word, while root word is the main word, is the word that carry the initial meaning of the word. For example, one of the medical terms I'm going to talk about now is gastritis. What's gastritis? Gastra means stomach, itis means inflammation. So if you put those two words together, they mean inflammation of the stomach. Another example is cardiology. Cardio means heart. Cardio is the root word, while logy is the suffix. If you bring the two words together, cardiology, which means the study of the heart. Another example we have here is the arthritis. Arthri is the root word. Arthri means joint, while itis means inflammation. And bringing those two words together means arthritis, which means inflammation of the joints. Another medical term we are going to be talking about is hypertension. Hyper, which is the prefix, which means high. Then tension means pressure. If you put these two words together, it becomes hypertension, which means high pressure, high blood pressure. Another medical word we are going to be looking at is hypoglycemia. Now, this is the combination of a prefix, a root word, and a suffix. Hypo, which is the prefix, which is the root word, and semia, which semia can also be the root word too. So now the meaning of this word: hypo means low, gly means sugar, semia has to do with blood condition. So if you bring these three words together, hypoglycemia, it means low blood sugar. Then another word we'll be looking at is dermatitis. Dermatitis. Derma has to do with the skin, and itis has to do with inflammation. So if you bring the two words together, it means inflammation of the skin. If you are coming from a non-medical field just like me, don't worry, it gets easier as you learn and practice daily. It's just you being able to know. The trick is you being able to know the meaning of the prefix, the meaning of the root word, and the meaning of the suffix. It gets easier as you practice. So if you enjoyed this video, or if you learned something from this video, please do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in my comment section. Thank you.